Scaling machine learning models is essential for effective AI systems managing complex datasets. The AI Distributed Training Module enables high-performance training across multiple compute nodes, enhancing resource efficiency. Part of the G.O.D framework, it facilitates logging progress and simulating training. Purpose: this module simplifies distributed machine learning for all team sizes. Key goals include Scalable Model Training. Train models efficiently on multiple nodes. Resource Optimization. Distribute tasks by data complexity. Operational Simplicity. User-friendly progress monitoring. Adaptability. Support various data sizes and configurations. Key features: it provides essential features for efficient machine learning, sizes and distributions. Fail-safe mechanism. Minimize workflow disruptions. Output results. Metadata on usage and training status. Role in the G.O.D framework. The module enhances G.O.D framework operations. Scalable machine learning. Accelerate AI pipelines with distributed resources. Optimizing resources. Ensure purposeful compute node use. Developer-friendly interface. Ease distributed training implementation. Log-driven monitoring. Facilitate debugging and performance tuning. Future enhancements. The module adapts to distributed AI demands, offering integration with cloud platforms, support cloud-native training. GPU acceleration. Enhance deep learning speeds. Model parallelism. Train large networks across nodes. Real-time visualization. Tools for tracking progress, providing scalability and reliability. It empowers developers to optimize resources efficiently. As part of the G.O.D framework, it drives AI innovation with future enhancements. Elevate your machine learning using AI distributed training for superior scalability.